That's okay. We can always
No, we could do it.
reconfigure it too, like move it around. I like how they've done this set. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's all.
Well, we know how to set it up.
We could do it. Yeah, we could. You having a good time, honey?
Sammy and Nicole, and then we'll get. That's Anna.
Oh, go ahead. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
And then we'll get Sammy something else. Wait, do you have those Pokemon balls? Remember those balls?
I can't believe this. You have Chuggington and Tommy Train set up.
Yeah, they get harder to buy for them, don't they? Yeah.
Well, this one's for 2-year-olds.
Just more round. Make sure this Hello Kitty's better than the rainbow one, the cupcake.
Oh, she's listening to music.